The anxiously attached girlies are the most powerful manifestors, and you cannot convince me otherwise. Because think about what anxious attachment actually requires of you energetically, right? Think about what you are doing when you are in that obsession. You are thinking about one specific person with such intensity, with so much complete focus that they are basically living inside of your nervous system rent-free. You are visualizing scenarios, you're feeling the feelings of a future that haven't even happened yet, and you're doing it so vividly, and your body doesn't even know the difference between what is real and what is imagined at this point. And that is basically what manifestation is. That is literally the mechanism of manifestation. It's just pointed at the wrong thing. Joe Dispenza talks about this all the time. The combination of a clear mental image and an elevated emotion is the most powerful manifesting state a human being can access. And anxiously attached women are doing this all day, every day, without even trying. You're just doing it on a man who's not texting you back instead of the life that you actually want. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna imagine the life that you want. You're gonna feel it in your body so strongly, and you're gonna imagine the conversations, the future that you truly desire for you, and you're gonna hold that vision with an emotional intensity that is honestly staggering. You're gonna wake up thinking about it, you're gonna fall asleep thinking about it, and you're going to completely immerse yourself in the future reality that you want. And don't tell me that you cannot do it, because you can. You're already imagining all the worst case scenarios with that specific person. You have an extraordinarily activated manifesting mind. It's just misdirected. And this is exactly what lives in the sacral chakra. The sacral chakra is your creative center. It's where desire lives. It's where visualization lives. It's basically your ability to feel something so fully and bring it into physical reality. And anxiously attached women have the most activated sacral chakras on the planet. It's just leaking everywhere else but your true desire. So imagine for a second what happens when you take that same exact energy, that same exact intensity, and you put it towards visualizing a future that you vividly want, the business that you want to build, the version of you that you want to become. You would become an absolute force of nature, because the thing that makes you such a powerful manifester is not something that you need to develop or learn from scratch. It's literally already within you. And the moments that you can take it back, the moment that you can redirect that visualization back towards yourself and your own becoming, you will manifest faster and more precisely than almost anyone around you, because you already know how to feel something so completely that your whole body believes it. You just need to feel the right things. Grab the Sacral Chakra Healing Workshop at the link in my profile and begin this journey right now, today.